Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. Today, I'd like to show you how to connect your Greyd.Suite website with Uberall locations. Uberall locations can be used, for example, to manage company sites, stores, or similar. And with the interface to Greyd.Suite, you can sync this data automatically with your website, for example, to show your stores with opening hours, contact details, etc. To activate the interface, go to the Greyd.Suite settings and scroll to Uberall integration. Then hook the checkbox and enter your API data. You will also find a link to a how-to instruction if you don't know where to find this data in Uberall. Then click on Save. You may have to refresh your browser window, but should then find the new post type Uberall location in the menu on the left. This automatically created post type is a custom post type like any other in Greyd.Suite. You'll find a general tutorial video on that in our help center. The only difference here is that this post type is marked as a synced post type. You can still edit the post type as usual, for example, define where and how it is displayed in the menu, which features you want it to have, you can add fields, etc. But some areas are locked since those are the ones managed by Uberall. You can also create posts as usual. But most important, with the interface, you can now also import your locations from Uberall directly to Greyd.Suite. To do that, open the post type menu and go to Import. You can now either directly make a manual import by clicking here, and will, by the way, also be informed about when the last import has been done. With Reset, you can also remove all imported posts. And if you want to automate the import, just click on Add Event. You can now have the system import data every hour, day, week, or month, or also in correlation with an event. For example, each time when a user visits your website or a certain page of it, and same goes for the backend, you can trigger the import automatically whenever somebody is in the backend or a certain area of it. If you want to be informed via email about any import, just enter one or several email addresses down here. In the overview, you can now see all imported posts and can work with them. In terms of displaying your locations on your website, there are absolutely no limits. You can use any feature or block like post overviews, query loops, search, etc. with your Uberall location post type. You can even connect it with other websites with global content. You'll find tutorials on all these features in our help center.
For more videos and information, please visit our help center.